Okay, everyone, eyes up here for a moment. We need to discuss Chapter 5.
Wait, is that the Green Valley history section?
Why is there a parrot on my desk? Why is there a parrot on my... Relax. I'm your new assistant teacher. You? Teach? You can't even spell. Neither can half your students, but you still get paid. Sir? Sir? Can you help me with math?
This isn't math. This is a cry for help. Do you like my art?
It's cute, but why do I look like a sick potato?
Class dismissed. I'm the teacher now.